Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to learn lesson number 8, calligraphy. This is a very vast subject in English, and so many writers have written so many books on this calligraphy. And also, about 6 months back, one fellow who is expert in this calligraphy used to teach calligraphy in FM station of Karnataka. Now, what is this calligraphy? Why it is called as calligraphy? It is a name of the drawing art. It is the name of an art. What is this art? Calligraphy is an art of improving our handwriting. Calligraphy is an art of improving the handwriting. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನು ದುಂಡಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆಯುವ ಕಲೆ. We have to improve our handwriting. Unless we are having good handwriting, we cannot succeed in our examinations. Therefore, at LKG and UKG level itself, the teachers, the class teacher used to give homework to write copywriting for 2 pages, 3 pages or something like that after learning the alphabets and other things. Therefore, since from LKG you used to learn copywriting. For English copywriting, 4-line copybook. For Kannada copywriting, 2 lines copybook. For Hindi copywriting, it is 3-line copybook. That you already know. Now, what is the necessity of calligraphy? Another important use of this calligraphy. The evaluators or valuators, one who is correcting your answer papers in examination, they are called as evaluators or valuators, will give more marks if a student has written very good handwriting, even though some small mistakes are there. That is very important to fetch more marks. And your writing always should be legible. ಲೆಜಿಬಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಲೆಜಿಬಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯುವರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಬಿ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ವೈಲ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ calligraphy plays one Mr. Rafiullah Beg, who is expert in this calligraphy, used to teach the Bangalore students. Therefore, calligraphy is an art of improving the handwriting. How to improve the handwriting is the question. Rigorous practice through copywriting is very necessary to improve our handwriting. There is a magic in my lessons. Some of the students have improved their handwriting with one night. Today I have finished my program lessons, and tomorrow itself they have corrected their handwriting, and very beautiful with beautiful handwriting they came up to me on the next day. We try that some of you may also will succeed like that. Therefore, calligraphy is an art of improving the handwriting. I will show you what is very important for this calligraphy is, you see in board I will not get correct writing, but if you are writing in your copywriting book, it will be okay and it will be very good also. 1 minute. You see, this is the pen. All of you take your pen and keep it like this. This is not pertains to the subject. You see, all of you keep this side like this without jumping the hand. Don't jump the hand. You have to bring these 2 hands to this position. Once again, you see this one without jumping the hand. This is not correct. Without jumping the hand, you have to bring your palms position like this. Try your level best in your houses. Okay, now calligraphy. You see, calligraphy, how calligraphy? Holding the pen is very important. This is called as tip. This is back side of the pen. This is cap. If you want, you can keep the cap here, or you can keep it somewhere on the pocket. Now, you see, below 2 mm of the tip of the pen, below 2 mm of the tip of the pen, you have to place your forefinger, torberadu. You have to place your forefinger always. And below 2 mm of this forefinger, you have to place your thumb while holding the pen, and the 3 other fingers should give push to the pen, the thumb and the forefinger always. Once again I repeat, 2 mm below your forefinger, 2 mm below this forefinger your thumb, that is headband to, and other 3 fingers should push upside your pen, your forefinger and your thumb, and the back side of the pen should be rested on U shape formed by the forefinger and the thumb. The back side of the pen should be rested on U shape formed by the forefinger and the thumb. That is very important. Now all of you try at your level best to hold the pen like this and keep it your 4-line copybook in front of you before going this lesson. Okay, now I will write down 3 types of letters. There are so many types of letters that you are writing. One kajibiji, what we call as, one is kage kal, gubbi kal, the teacher will say. All these should go from this day onwards. Good effort should be made to have very good handwriting. When you go to 7th or 8th standard, your handwriting should be very beautiful always. Change the position, change the pen holding position, all these things. From this night itself, you have to follow. Therefore, I will show you 3 types of handwriting here. It will take time, and I will show anyhow. I will show what are the types of handwriting. You see, after all these things, I have told you 2 mm below forefinger, 2 mm below forefinger, thumb, back side of the pen should be rested on the U shape formed by the forefinger and the thumb, and the 3 other fingers should press upside for the grip of the pen. And now, thinking in mind, manassinalli yochane madkobeku, thinking in mind that you are dragging the letters, first set of letters, dragging the letters towards the margin like this. You have to dragging the letters towards the margin. You have to start writing following the rules of the copywriting. That is very important. What is rules? You see, here 4-line copybook is there. A, this is top line, this is middle 2, this is bottom. A, middle 2, B, top and middle 2, C, middle 2, D, top and middle 2, E, middle 2, F, all the 4, G, middle 2 and bottom, H, top and middle 2, I, middle 2, J, middle 2 and bottom, K, top and middle 2, L, top and middle 2, M, N, O, all are middle 2, P, top and bottom and middle 2, Q, middle 2, bottom, R, middle 2, this, there are 2 R's, here one more R is there, R, that is also middle 2, S, middle 2, T, top and middle 2, U, middle 2, V, middle 2, W, middle 2, X, middle 2, Y, middle 2 and bottom, Z, middle 2 and bottom. This is the copywriting rules. Thinking in mind the copywriting rules, because the size of the letter should come equally always. Therefore, copywriting is very necessary. And thinking in mind that you are dragging the letters towards the margin, you are dragging the letters towards the margin, you have to write the letters. You see, I will write, let it take more time, no worry. Capital letter D. You see, I am dragging the letter towards the margin. You see how I am dragging the letter towards the margin? You see why? You see why here? I am dragging and touching this side. Say that the students, you see the curvaceous letter you have to follow. The students. You see T, how it comes? Students. Cursive is very important. Okay, and students. Okay, now you see. Another type of letter I will write now. Second, the same thing I will write. Another type of letter. You observe that. There is no crossing. There is no waves. I will write straight. You see. Okay. Now, this is second type of letter that I am writing. Third type of letter that I am writing. You see, this is called as obtuse angle handwriting. Obtuse angle handwriting. This is called as right angle handwriting. This is called as acute angle handwriting. This is acute angle. This is obtuse angle. Acute, right angle, and obtuse. 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 Obtuse angle handwriting. You see, when I ask a question to you, which handwriting is very good? You will definitely say either second one or first one. Some of you are writing second one, but as per English rules, English copywriting rules, the first one is the best handwriting and we should follow the first one handwriting. And some of the students, you see, fashioning the letters, this should not be like this. You see, to write G, they will write train, like this, they will write. Q, they will write train, like this, like this. Y, they will write train. This should be avoided. Particularly girl students will write all these things. Therefore, these things should be avoided. If you want to write Y, it should come down and straight away it should go down, because you have to get the speed, not only the handwriting, but also the speed of the language. That is very important in English. When you go to higher classes, the speed is also very necessary. Accuracy and speed, both are very necessary. Therefore, you see, I will show you how the handwriting, the first one is very good in air. You see, now follow me. You see, this is to say that the student, you see this, you are going in front, this is to say that. You see, have you followed me? Now, second one, you see, this is to You see, what is the speed? It will take much time. Say, tring, like that. What is third one? You see, you are going against your right path. If you are a right-handed person, you see, it is very difficult. You are coming again. Once again you are coming back, and once again you are going front. You see, this is to say, this will take more time. Therefore, follow the first set of writings, and from today onwards, you see, I think follow the lesson. I will repeat again. Calligraphy is an art of improving the handwriting. First, you have to catch hold of your pen 2 mm below the tip of the pen forefinger. Then 2 mm below forefinger, you have to place your thumb. The back side of the pen should be rested on the U-shape formed by the forefinger and the thumb. The other 3 fingers should give pressure upwards to these forefinger, thumb and the pen. These are the rules. Then, keeping in mind that you are dragging the letter, this letter you have to follow according to English law. This is correct. You have to write copywriting like this only. Try your level best. At the first instance, it will be very slow, and then some of the writing of some of the students will be like this only. No problem for them. It is not a difficult one. But some of the students are having this type of letters. They can shift just crossing the page, writing page. And these fellows who are writing like this, they should come first to this handwriting, and then they have to take this handwriting. That's very important. I think you follow, you repeat the same, you replay the same, because time is going on. Therefore, calligraphy is an art of improving the handwriting. Position of the pen I told you, and you have to follow the rules of the copywriting. That is very important. You see, even if you write, you see this, I am writing this. You see, this is one line, this is top line, this is middle line. You see, even after writing, if you put lines, 4 lines, that should be the 4th line, it will not touch. The 4th line, it will not touch. Say, take for example, you see, this is middle first, this is middle second, this is 4th line. You see how it touches. You see, this should be, the letter should be in original position itself. Then only we will get good handwriting. I think you understand the lesson. This is called as acute angle, straight angle and obtuse angle. This has been written for the purpose of copywriting rules. I think you understand the lesson. Thank you very much, dear student. Tomorrow, lesson number 9, that is sentence. The actual grammar will start from tomorrow. Thank you very much.